Hi friends, today we are here at the Oakland Park Preserve and exploring one of the lower trails. Let's take this hike and enjoy this beautiful day in February 2025. The weather is high 60s, low 70s. So let's go. The little trickle. Here we are at marker 15, and today let's take the hike to the Sinkhole. See the water formation right there. Going to go around and see. I guess this is our sinkhole here. It looks flooded, and I know there are alligators in this area, so I'm just going to head back and be happy with what I have found today, and then we'll come back another day when hopefully it's dried up and we can get closer and take a better look. everybody. Thank you so much for joining me once again and joining me on this mini hike. Please subscribe, like and comment, and join me for the next adventure and outdoor time. Bye bye.